Hello guys, welcome back to One Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. Today we're in a nice open area. We're in a place called Fosse Park. It's currently cloudy but the sun's going to come out in a bit, so without further ado, let's take off. So drone is now in the sky. We're just gonna go up. Then we're gonna explore the area. So first, you can see the whole area of Fosse Park. You can see the many shops here and a big car park as well. So yeah, we're just gonna do a 360-degree photo first. This is quite a huge area. We're gonna cover the whole area. So without further ado, let's do a 360 photo. All right, 360 photo is complete. We are now going to go back into video mode. We're going to explore the area. First of all, let's check out the area behind. As you can see, there's a road behind us. So we're just going to go down there first. It's a lot of countryside in this area, which is what I like. Let's go a little bit low and get a nice shot. So as you can see a car going down here. We'll get a nice shot of it. Look at that. We'll explore the countryside area first, then we're gonna check out more Fosse Park. So we're gonna go down here, down this area. This is actually the main area of Fosse Park. Looks quite busy down here. Really nice shot. So yeah, let's get a shot of this little roundabout over here as well. So the sun has come out now, which is good. You can hear the motorbike. Let's see it come here in the shot. Probably see it. Well, it's probably going the other way. Then we've got the area down here. So as you can see, there's a lot of... Maybe I could have taken off from here. I was thinking to take off from here from where I am, but I think from where I am is better. So yeah, as you can see, a lot to see down here. So let's explore this area down here. There's a little lake over here. We're gonna go down here. Look at that shine. Get a nice shot of this area. Then we'll come back. Then we're getting a shot of Fosse Park. Let's get a static shot in this area. We'll just stay here. We'll get overview of the area of Fosse Park. Alright, what we're going to do now, we're going to go down. So as you can see, we're gonna get a whole tour of the area of Fosse Park. So let's just go down it. So as you can see, it looks quite busy today. We just keep going down. Oh no! I think what happened, my SD card's full. I need to quickly delete things. Select delete all of them. Right, we deleted all of them. Now we can carry on recording. That was a nightmare. I usually delete things as I copy it from my computer, but sometimes I forget and I just leave it on an SD card, and then the SD card gets full while I'm flying, which is annoying because that impacts the flight. That impacts the flight time. But the good thing is that we can quickly delete it while we're flying. So it's really good that on the drone you can actually delete things if your SD card gets full, but just make sure your SD card has some space before flying, because I forgot to check. Got a nice orbit shot of Fosse Park. So as you can see, we can see all the shops down here. Let's do a full circle around the area of Fosse Park. Let's go down here now. So this weather is actually perfect, where there's a little bit of a breeze and it's not too hot, because usually when it's too hot it even makes my phone overheat sometimes, and the video just gets choppy for a bit, FPS, but that's not happening in this video. And then we even got the other side of Fosse Park, which is a different area, but we're not going to go there because we're not going to go too far, but we can get shot from this area. So the only problem is the wind is a bit strong. Let's just get a shot of this area down here. You know what? It's actually cloudy where I'm flying the drone, but it's sunny where I'm flying from. So let's just go fly in this area. Oh yeah, big cloud has come again. I was waiting for that big cloud to move, but then now another big cloud has come. At least we did get sunny footage when it's sunny. What we can do, we can get a shot of down here. Let's go this side instead. It's quite loud. There's a truck here that's making noise, and I think it's that orange truck right here, because I'm flying from here. Slow moving traffic, as you can see, on this dual carriageway. Let's go to this little village down here. So what we'll do, we'll go down here. Look at that, it's sunny down there in that village area. What a nice shot. See, I wonder what village that's called. So yeah, we'll just go a little bit closer to that area. We'll come back. Let's just turn around quickly. We'll go down the dual carriageway near that area. Only problem is we're coming back a bit slowly because of the wind. Oh yeah, I'm going in headwind, so maybe I shouldn't go that much further. But what we can do, we could just get a shot of this area down here as we come back. That's going to deplete all my battery. By the time I come back, my battery is almost going to be time to land, which is another issue. So maybe I should stay here and slowly come back, so like I still have a lot of battery left. So yeah, it's not that windy today, but it's just enough to make the drone a little bit work. It's just enough to make the drone work a little bit harder, which is quite annoying. I wanted to get more shots of Fosse Park, but because I did that, I used up a lot of battery. What we can do, we could just get a static shot of this area before we land, and then I want to get a low down shot of this area down here. Let's go a little bit low down. I want to get a bit of low down shot. Let's just go a little bit down. Get a nice low down shot. Look at that, it's a nice shot. Alright, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna head back now. So you can hear quite a lot of police sirens. They're actually going down there, let's see. Or was it ambulance? Let's see. Actually, they're going down there, but you can't really see it because the trees are blocking it, but we're just gonna land it now. Let's land the drone now. Oh, look at that. That is sick. Alright, what we're going to do now, we're just going to land the drone. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Fosse Park in Leicester. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.